Kit, the blue-eyed red panda. New adventure in Vermont. Written by Crystall Wersinger. Are you ready? Let's take a look.
Storytime with Gitte.
Hello friends, I'm Kit and I am a red panda. My family and I moved to Vermont a week ago. You may ask where Vermont is. Vermont is a state in the northeast New England region of the United States. I live in northern Vermont with my sister Amy and my mom. We love it up here. A lot of land and things to do. Do you want to join in on my big adventure? It's a nice day out. Let's go on a bike ride. Wow! Look at the mountain and trees and steam of water. What do you like seeing on a bike ride? Let's take a break under a tree and have some lunch. I packed some water and maple cookies and also apple cider donuts. What is your favorite snack? That was a nice break. Time to get back on my bike. Oh, cool, there are 2 baby cows and 2 goats. Do you want to pet and feed the goats? Look, there, a corn maze. Mom said we can go in the corn maze. I'm hoping we don't get lost. Do you like corn mazes? Yay, we did it. We got through the corn maze. Now it's time to go home and have some dinner. More big adventures tomorrow. Good morning, it's 8 a.m. and we are going to have some pancakes with Vermont syrup and orange juice. Yum! What do you like to eat for breakfast? Today is a big day. We are going on a boat ride on Lake Champlain. We have to drive to Burlington. We have to be very careful of moose crossing the road. Have you ever seen a moose? Yay! I'm so excited to go on a boat ride in Lake Champlain. I can see Canada from here. Have you ever been to Canada? The boat ride was fun. Let's get the same lunch and have the same ice cream. What is your favorite ice cream? After lunch, we are going to do a little shopping before heading home. Do you like shopping? We are going to pick up some winter clothes for outdoor fun this winter. It can get cold in Vermont. Do you like snow? I'm so excited. Mom said I can go snowboarding this year. Let's go check out the snowboarders and gear. Are you a snowboarder or skier? Look at what I bought for friends. Snowboard boots and a coat. Do you like my coat? We had so much fun today. It's dinner time and I'm hungry. Then I'm going to go to sleep. See you tomorrow. Good night. Good morning, my friends. Would you like pancakes or waffles? Look at the cows next to the red barn. That is so cool. Do you like cows? There are lots of people at the farmer's market today. So many things to pick from. Let's check out the pies. Yum, pumpkin pie. What is your favorite pie? We can't forget the local fruit, some blueberries and apples. What is your favorite fruit? Let's go sit down and listen to some music. What is your favorite music? I enjoy being with my friends. Are you having fun? It's a beautiful day in Vermont. Do you want to play mini golf? Fun! Let's go mini golfing and get the same dinner afterwards. We are going to have the same sandwiches today. What is your favorite sandwich? Oh, cool, a pop-up shop. Let's go check it out. So many socks to choose from. Do you like wool socks? It's hard to just pick one pair. My friends all look great. What should I choose? I got you socks for Christmas. I have to wrap them, then I can go home. I can't wait for you to open them. What is your favorite holiday? Let's get some sleep. Before you know it, it will be morning and we'll have a new adventure ahead. Snore, snore, snore. Thank you for buying this book. Kids Book Series donates half earnings to Australia's Zoo Wildlife Hospital. Follow author on Instagram, Crystall Wersinger. I hope you enjoyed this book.
Thank you for Mommy and Daddy. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.
According to scientific research, the first 5 years of a child's life helps shape how their brain develops.